Hi friends, in the previous class we have learned the nomenclature for carboxylic acids, acyl halides and acetamides. In today's class we are going to continue the nomenclature. For nitrile, the prefix we have to use is cyano. Prefix and suffix are dependent upon an order which I will give you later. According to the order, we have to give importance to the functional group. If the group is less prior, then it comes under prefix in nomenclature. So if cyanide is under less priority, then cyano will be the prefix. And if it is the highest priority group present in the compound, then the secondary suffix would be or nitrile. That is, if the root word is some alk and it is an alkane, then primary suffix would be in alkane. Then the secondary suffix for the functional group will be O nitride, alkano nitride. Let us take the example of CH3CN. Number of carbons present is 1, 2. So root word will be eth. And no double bonds are present between carbons. So alkane, ethane, ethanonitride, because cyanide is the functional group. Cyanide is also called as nitrile. Previously I taught you about cyanide. It is also called as nitrile. Next one is aldehyde. Aldehydes are majorly does not come under prefixes, but the suffix used for aldehyde is al, al. Let us take example of this one. CH3 CHO. Number of carbons 2. Eth. No double bonds present between carbons. So an, alkane, an. And aldehyde is the functional group, ethanal. If the compound is like this, CH2 double bond CH CHO, CH2 double bond CH CHO. Number of carbons present is 3. So prop. And it is a double bond is present between two carbons. So it is an alkene. So we have to write ene as the primary suffix. Propene, al, because aldehyde functional group is present. Propenal. This compound is propenal. For higher carbon chains, we have to mention the numbering also. There are 5 rules for the nomenclature. After completion of this, I will mention those 5 rules. Ketone. If ketone is used as a prefix, then oxo is the word used. If it is used as a secondary suffix, then one, on. Ketone, one, is used as secondary suffix. Let us see this compound. Number of carbons present is 3. Prop. No double bond between carbon and carbon. So propan, on, because the functional group present is ketone. Is the name of the compound. Alcoholic group. That is OH group. If it is used as a prefix, we will use the word hydroxy. If it is used as a suffix, we would use the word ON, all. Alkanol would be the generic name. Simplest example is CH3OH. 1 carbon is present, meth. Double bond is not present since 1 carbon only. Methanol. Alcoholic functional group is present. Methanol. Similarly, for mercaptons, it would be SH, no? Mercapt. And secondary suffix would be thiol. Thiol. For alcohols, it is ol, and for mercaptons, it is thiol. And the prefix for alcohols is hydroxy, whereas the prefix for mercaptons is mercapto, alkane, thiol. Then this one, the name of this one would be methane thiol. Moving on to the next one, amines. Prefix is amino. The secondary suffix used for amines is amine only. Alkane amine. If it is used as a prefix, then it is used as aminoalkane. CH3NH2. CH3NH2. Methanamine. Next one is nitro group. It is a group which is given the least priority. So the prefix it obtains as only prefix, that is nitro. There is no suffix. So the generic name would be nitroalkane. CH3NO2. Nitromethane. CH3 CH2NO2. Nitroethane. Similarly, the others. Next, similar ethers. The prefix used is oxa or alkoxy. They are generally not used as a suffix. Alkoxyalkane. CH3OCH3. Methoxymethane. Consider methoxymethane. Or else C2H5 OCH3. Generally, we have to take the longest chain. Here, 2 carbons are present. Ethane, methoxy. Less number of carbons are taken as prefix. More number of carbons containing chain is taken as main alkyl chain. Methoxy ethane. Compound's name is methoxy. Halides. They are also generally used as prefixes only, no suffixes. Halides. If the prefix would be halo. If it is a chlorine, the prefix would be chloro. So, chloro, fluoro, bromo, iodo, like that. Halo would be the prefix. Then the generic name would be haloalkane.